Here in Siargao and the ultimate island hopping. 3 islands that we're going to visit: Naked Island, Guyam Island, and Dako Island. So we need to register our names here, and these are my companions here. Second time, right?
Yeah.
This is going to be our second time. First time ka, Minerva? First time. These are the 3 islands, and my best friend Shirley. Noon ang 3 ka-island, Shirley. Oh, nagsugod na sila ginom. Ang mga senior citizen rocks. Okay. So okay na yung ticket na to. Siargao Islands here at your recent office. Mauna siyang 3 islands. Mga kalakwatsera, this time, padung nami sa among island tours with the family of Pinky. Ang iyang, thank you very much for the lumpia standby. This is the lumpia queen, the lumpia queen of Siargao. And madam, nagsugod na pero wala maayong buntag. Here we are, mauni ang mga bangka, no? Kani mga bangka. Good morning, Day. This is where we start our 3-island tour. There you are. This is going to be a very exciting day. Daghan na kaayo ang mga bangkas, waiting for... Asaman? Waiting for the guests to arrive. No? Waiting for the guests to arrive here. So who are we with? Si Pinky, our host, Minerva. Minerva, first time ni Minerva here. Ayaw yung tao ng Lubuton, Ginoo ko. Kat pa more! Let's go! Sige. Sige. Mga kalakotsera, dapat pag muna ako kay base ko na ako hinuon na ma-slide ani kay kabablog na ako, ha? Kamo sa una. Okay. Maniguro sa ko sa akong safety, mga kalakotsera, ha? Nakasabot sa intawan mo, ha? Sige. Signing off kay taod-taod. Ratsada nin ato bangka nga very colorful for our 3-island tour today. We are now approaching Dako Island, one of the 3 islands covered in island hopping. Ang daming mga pump boat, no? So marami ng mga local and foreign tourists here. This is the first island na pupuntahan natin. Welcome to Dako Island, the first of the 3 islands that is covered for the island hopping dito sa isla ng Siargao. Yan, napakaganda. White sands. I am so happy to be back here after 5 years. Nakabalik na rin ako sa Dako Island. This setup. Yes, here. This is how they do it here sa Dako Island. Excuse me. Tagatan ko ng kilo. Pag-uli.
Kuhanin mo. Ano madalhin mo? Protestante ka? Muslim. Muslim. Kristiyano.
Ito yung mga cottages available. Different cottages available dito sa Dako Island. Yan, different sizes, no? Yeah. It's nice that naka-recover na talaga sila. We are here right now in Dako Island. Isa sa mga 3 beaches na kasali sa 3 island hopping sa General Luna, Siargao. Yan. Beautiful, ha? This is Dako Island. Beautiful, ha? This is Dako Island. First of the 3 islands that is included on the island hopping here in General Luna, Siargao. This is Dako Island. We still have 2 more. It's so nice to see that after the onslaught of Super Typhoon Odette, unti-unti na silang nakabalik. They have slowly survived and revived their island hopping here. So don't miss it as part of your itinerary when you visit Siargao Island. Avail of the island hopping. You will be hitting 3 birds with 1 stone. Yung tinatawag nating island hopping. And this is the first island, the biggest of the 3, ang Dako Island. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my Mamita Lacotsera YouTube channel. Thank you to my videographer, the Jet Setter, King. Thank you very much, King. Finally, we're going to have our lunch. Oh, very creative kaayo. The picture very creative pa kaayo. Thank you very much for the setup. Salamat kayo sa setup ng Amo Food. Okay, thank you. It's what we have for lunch. Mauna, thank you very much, Pinky and family, for this sumptuous lunch prepared budol type. Yan. This is what we have for lunch. Lami kaayo. Lami kaayo in Dako Island. There you are. This is Dako Island. The first of the 3 islands that is included in the package sa island hopping. Thank you very much for this lami kayong lunch here.